OMG, beautiful California weather. There's two things that are great for this weather. One, firing up the grill, and number two, having the game on an outdoor TV with a soundbar speaker. What up? It's Wil Vitela, home tech expert back in Anaheim, California, here to install an outdoor TV. This is the finest outdoor TV that you can buy. It's a Neptune 4K TV made by Peerless-AV. With this TV, you could have it turned on, watching the game outside, and it's raining, and nothing happens to it. It's made for the weather, it's made for the sun, it's made for the rain. And also it has a built-in enclosure, so I like to take things to the next level and make things super simple to be able to use and give the best experience. That's why I install Apple TV 4K inside of the Neptune 4K TV to give it the ultimate experience for that football game, for the baseball game, for the basketball game, or whatever sport that you're into. And of course, if you're going to be streaming YouTube TV, DirecTV Stream, or any of these apps, you have to have a great Wi-Fi mesh router system in your house. And I use the best. eero Pro Wi-Fi 6E mesh routers give you the best connection for your streaming services. And of course, when I install the TV, I use Sanus Pro TV pull-out brackets that allow me to swing the TV from left to right in order to be able to get the best viewing experience outside in the patio. And let's talk about the sound. Of course, I'm a Sonos guy, so I have to install a Sonos soundbar speaker with voice control so that you can not only hear the game a lot better, but you could also be able to play some music out of here using Spotify, Apple Music, or anything like that. And of course, as you can see here with the Apple TV, it's absolutely super simple to be able to turn it on, change channels, be able to watch Netflix or whatever you're going to do. If you want to get something done like this professionally in your home, go to my website and schedule a free in-home estimate, hometechexpert.com.